What's your biggest fear when you hand over your broken iPhone to a stranger for repair? Is it the high price? No, it's the privacy of your private photos, chat logs, and banking apps. Repair shop staff can easily bypass your lock screen password and access everything you have. So my principle is, if I can fix it under my own nose, I'll never send it out. Gbyte is my personal repair station. Whether it's a system crash or data recovery, the other end of the data cable is connected to my own computer, and the phone never leaves my hands throughout the entire process. All operations are done locally. I don't need to upload my data to any unfamiliar servers. After it's fixed, I just need to disconnect the data cable. There's absolutely no risk of privacy leaks. Protecting your digital privacy is a million times more important than saving a few dollars. Gbyte gives you more than just repairs. It gives you a sense of control and security. If you also never let others repair your phone, type 1 in the comments.